this video I'm going to work through an individual integral. We're going to take a look at the integral of e raised to the x over 2 dx. Alright, it is going to be a straightforward U-substitution, and it's going to be one that you would have encountered very, very early on after entering that U-substitution method and learning how to do that. Now, the only thing I am going to do here first is for those beginning calc students, sometimes it's a little bit easier if you write this, pulling that coefficient out, maybe changing something algebraically so it looks a little bit different. Alright, so integral of e raised to the 1/2 x dx. Okay, so I didn't change anything, I just pulled that out in front so that I could see that when I go to take the derivative here, it's going to be easier than if I left it as a quotient right there. So I'm going to then start with letting my u equal that 1/2 x. Taking the derivative of both sides, I'll have a du is equal to a 1/2 dx. Going ahead and solving all the way down for dx, multiplying by that reciprocal, I'll have a 2 du is equal to dx. Okay, coming back up here to my original problem, I'm going to have the integral of e, replacing my 1/2 x with the u, and then replacing that dx with what that equals, 2 du. That's going to allow me to take that coefficient of 2 and pull it out in front. So 2 times the integral of e to the u du. Alright, and the integral of e to the u is just a straight e to the u. So this integrates real nicely to 2e to the u plus c. Last step, taking that u and putting back in what we said it was going to be equal to. So 2e raised to the 1/2 x plus c. So definitely a straightforward U-substitution, and just showing it for that beginning calc student and showing that sometimes a little bit of algebra manipulation on those original equations sometimes can make things a little bit easier. Definitely thanks for watching. Don't forget to share with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.